Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. Just as NASA's Mars rovers rely on robust wheels to roam the red planet and conduct science, some orbiters rely on wheels too. In this case, reaction wheels, to stay pointed in the right direction. Engineers and technicians at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in South California recently installed 4 reaction wheels on Europa Clipper, which will rely on them during its journey at Jupiter's icy moon Europa. When NASA's spacecraft heads through deep space, slips into orbit around Jupiter, and collects science observation while flying dozens of times by Europa, the wheels rotate the orbiter so that its antennas can communicate with Earth, and its science instruments, including cameras, can stay oriented. 2 feet wide and made of steel, aluminum, and titanium, the wheels spin rapidly to create torque that causes the orbiter to rotate in the opposite direction. Without those reaction wheels, Europa Clipper wouldn't be able to do its science investigations when it arrives at the Jupiter system in 2030 after its 2024 launch. Scientists believe Europa harbors a vast internal ocean that may have conditions suitable for supporting life. The spacecraft will gather data on the Moon's atmosphere, surface and interior, information that will help scientists learn more about the ocean, the ice crust, and potential plumes that may be venting subsurface water into space. During its orbit around Jupiter, Europa Clipper will rely on reaction wheels to help it perform thousands of turns. Although the spacecraft could perform some of those maneuvers with thrusters, its thrusters need fuel. The reaction wheels will run on electricity provided by the spacecraft's vast solar arrays. The trade-off is that the reaction wheels work slowly. Europa Clipper's reaction wheels will take about 90 minutes to rotate the craft 180 degrees. Also, they can wear out over time. It happened on NASA's Dawn spacecraft, requiring engineers to figure out how to rotate using thrusters with the available fuel. To address this, engineers have installed 4 wheels on Europa Clipper, even though only 3 are needed to maneuver. They alternate which 3 wheels are in operation to even the wear. Installing the wheels was one of the most recent steps of the phase known as assembly, test and launch operations. Science instruments continue to arrive at JPL to be added to the spacecraft. Next, a variety of tests will be conducted as the spacecraft moves toward its October 2024 launch period. And after traveling over 1.8 billion miles, Europa Clipper will be set to begin unlocking the secrets of the icy world Europa. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.